刚才熊chia的那古有古生呀，古手一山的北东东那我要浪的路 state 呢
Kunyo ho Colorado.
Colorado，古东西都蒙我要到了 Colorado 到了，蒙北中红的，
Mong Jong Memesan.
蒙中没事。Okay, that's great, that's great. So, when did you compete here in Fresno?
Go Washington don na nyo ho Michigan.
Michigan. Wow, awesome. Cái tour đêm là tour chơi bé cho nó chơi bé châu tao nói thế à?
Yeah, go Jong Shet to. Yeah. Good or sorry, good
It's okay. Có bé hồi giờ đó có first name and your last name?
Oh, so kulme ho su chai Peter Jong Mong Block sing pakon kam. Ku si Yong Block kun na Jong Mong.
Oh wow, really? Oh, cái this bao cái sai cái gì vậy? Cái mong cái chỉ in Nam Blo. Yeah. Oh. Cái giờ mong đỡ lời cái mong chúa cái hay lưu.
Actually, kumo pon you had Mong Jot go so ku picked up Sticky Mong Green a little bit.
Oh, that's really neat. You know, there's a theory that Bates is mong chúa. Do you believe that?
I do believe that. I do believe Hmong Joel is like the how Hmong first started, and then as time went by, we just started adapting to more of the Hmong white culture.
Yeah, white dialect or dialect language. I call it dialect, but yeah, I think it's cool. It's a mutual understanding, and it's an interesting theory. Tonadol, tell us about your competition. What are some obstacles? Do you have any advice for our competitors, regardless if they're female or male?
So regardless, female or male, my advice is to be yourself. Me, I competed because I'm a half Hmong and I want to embrace the culture. I just started learning Hmong just this year actually. So ever since Go Sengtung Na, I've been traveling to lots of different Hmong New Years, supporting Hmong events, and just gaining my knowledge from the Hmong culture. And I'm just really happy and proud to be Hmong.
Same here, and I'm with you because honestly, I'm born here too, obviously, and I don't know a lot about my culture and my language, so there's language barrier. Because shop all the Hmong, because the Hmong Latin, because Bob and the Paho, Tria there, most of Hmong Kutonji itu Lenkai na Lenkai is teacher from Hmong. So a quick lesson with you if you don't mind. Lenkai lolo ko hai ya de ko yo ke la nei ta ja si bro ko tia Lenkai ye ya lolo teacher equivalent to teacher or professor, not necessarily master li to si hu li Chinese na ya. Ta shi ko mun ji to khai con Hmong a ni bong ta pa ho a ye ko hu ni Lenkai te ni ha de ko tian ni Lenkai na. So Lenkai is like teacher.
Okay.
So it's really interesting, and I didn't know that every time you greet anybody, có mù có hụt lại cái gì, can gia or có bù nhá sinh.
Yeah, sing.
Yeah, cái bù nhá sinh. So cái tế nó bù nhá sinh mà. So let's practice. Can gia. Oh, I never. What was your name again?
Oh, kulme Peter.
Peter. It was so long. It's because you have the Laotian name in there. Yeah, and I really appreciate that. You say you embrace the Hmong side of you too, so you certainly embrace the Laotian side of you too as well, right?
I do as well, yeah. Go embrace Gulu Laotian side, yeah.
All right, that's really nice. So, anyways, let's backtrack a little bit. What was I gonna? Oh yeah, practice. So, basically, kumunjika ta kya khuna ya. Oh, Peter, kanja shenza kapunya sing.
Yeah.
And then you would say kunya sing ma.
Kuya sing na.
Yeah. See, it's like that. But because today we're our culture and our language is so lost because it's not our fault. It's a Ren language. It's an oral language, and it's been gone. It's not recorded or written anywhere. So that's why today. Yeah. See, and to me, it just doesn't sound like a very appropriate way to greet anybody. For example, in English, you said good morning. You don't say stay well. Literally translating nyajong. Yeah, so it's really interesting, and I'm really happy to come across you and to know and learn that I'm not alone. That somebody's interested in the language as well, and the culture, and embracing it. So I'm really happy for that, and it's a pleasure to meet you, Peter. Go sing,
Sing, Gulu sing.
Go sing. Last name?
Pak Kon Kam.
Pak Kwok Kam. Wow. Who's Laotian? Your mom or your dad?
The good night, Hmong. Good night, Hmong sing lao.
Oh, okay. Go most love. Okay, cool. I like that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So you're obviously very handsome, very attractive. So yeah, you got tomo tolu there. A girlfriend?
Chimotolo.
Oh yeah, Chimotolua. You hear that? He's available. So if you need a few tips, I'll give you some tips right now. learn Laotian, and I guess embrace yourself because he embraced himself, Laotian and Hmong. All right. Happy New Year's to you, and thank you for supporting us. Yeah.
Sabari Pimai Kaptalalaya.
Oh wow! Cái chân lùm lò thế à? But that was really good. Can you say that slower again?
Sabari Pimai Kaptalalai. Pome Pinon Tukun.
I find that very sexy. I don't know about you, but that's very sexy. All right, Ochona, thank you so much.
Thank you.